Can I take a hearing test online? Yes, you can take a hearing test online. Now, you can take a quick 2-minute hearing test on the Hearzap app. Online tests can give you a general idea of your hearing, but you should follow up with an in-person test for precise results. What should I do if I need a hearing test? If you think you need a hearing test, make an appointment with an audiologist. They will guide you through the process and perform the tests needed to check your hearing. At Hearzap, our expert audiologists are here to help you every step of the way.